Sakamoto Denim is a company specified in the indigo dyeing. Our company was established in 1891, and for over 100 years we have promoted technical innovations in the indigo dyeing. This movie is about our history, our process, our environmental policy, and the connections with the other textile companies. This area, Kannabe Town, where Sakamoto Denim was established, is a production place from old days for famous cotton fabrics such as Bingo Gasuri and Kannabe-jima. Many companies in this area still continue this local industry. In old days, workers made sure that indigo liquid is in good temperature and adjusted the line by hands to dye indigo well. They called bubbles of the surface of the indigo liquid indigo flour, and they had paid attention to its condition. Workers in old days repeated the work of soaking and wringing out yarn many times. It was very hard work that those workers dyed yarns by hands. This means that workers must have high skill and strong patience for indigo dyeing. We developed the first automatic dyeing machine in Japan in 1967. With this development of dyeing machine, we have promoted domestic production of denim. Moreover, the quality and quantity of denim production improved greatly. We developed another dyeing machine that can dye many colors other than indigo blue in 1974. And now, we can provide any colors per customer request. Sakamoto Denim always works for the better dyeing, and we also cooperate with other local textile factories to create the higher quality fabrics. The quality and the color of the dye used is an essential part of the denim's overall style. Sakamoto Denim always performs technical innovation and makes a new color as a leader of a specific local industry in this area. Now, we would like to showcase our company from the inside. There are 4 features to a dyeing process. Machine created by ourselves, using hands to make the better dyeing process, piece dyeing other than yarn dyeing, and dyeing of fabrics other than denim. Here is the beginning process of our production. We set cotton yarns to the yarn warping machine. About 400 to 600 pieces of yarn are set at a time. Yarn set on this machine are bundled to the shape of a rope, and they are rolled up onto the beam. The next process is dyeing. All dyeing machines we use are produced by our company. Since the properties of the yarn are becoming more and more diverse, we are always trying to make more specific dyeing processes for each type of yarn. Here is the process of separating yarn. We separate bundled yarn after the dyeing process. We do this by hands, so we can use any yarn per customer request. Next process is sizing. Each dyed yarns are sized in order to improve smoothness and strength. This sizing process is the final process of our factory line. After this process, dyed yarn are delivered to the weaving factory. We also dye pieces of fabric here too. We make products other than denim. This machine rolls up the dyed yarn like the shape of cheese. These yarns are shipped and used for woof of denim or other products. This is the end of our dyeing process, and now we'll move on to our water treatment, color development, and our meeting. Here is the place where the used water at the factory is changed into the fresh water. We use activated sludge process to treat the wastewater. We confirm the water condition every day. After the settlement of the sludge, we dry it using sunlight and natural winds. This process makes the moisture content of the sludge from 80% to 60%, reducing the overall mass of the sludge from 100 tons to 70 tons every month. Lastly, we perform bioprocess to finally reduce the moisture content to 20%. Those sludge are then used at our flower gardens as a manure. We make a dyeing recipe in this laboratory. We develop new colors and any colors following to customers' requests. We also manage all information about the quality of whole processes here. Also, we are collecting old Japanese indigo products. We analyze their colors and use this information to develop new colors. Here is the meeting room for dyeing stuffs. We have various meetings about colors, machines, processes, and others. We think that discussion is very important for every work in Sakamoto Denim. Everyone here at Sakamoto Denim is committed to create more eco-friendly dyeing process possible from start to finish. We always considered environmental issues such as CO2 reduction, water disposal, cultivation of organic cotton, and so on from many years ago. Thus, we established the Environmental Business Division in 2011. Environmental Business Division is trying to solve all kinds of our environmental problems, such as development of eco-friendly dyeing system, reduction and recycling of sludge, and others. We have changed the boiler in 2008 to reduce CO2. These new boilers can control the quantity of steam as needed. We succeeded in large reduction of oil and CO2 by this. The data about the boiler can be seen not only in a boiler room but in our office. We reduced the amount of fuel used from 200 kiloliters to 120 kiloliters per month. We succeeded in developing a new dyeing system in 2011. This system reduced the fabric detergent and the boiling water to clean the yarn. First, we electronize the water using a salt as a catalyst. Then, we make alkaline and acidic water from the resulting solution. Alkaline water has the cleaning effect, while acidic water has disinfectant and bleaching properties. Acidic water also makes the color of the dye deeper and richer. We use this alkaline water and acidic water in the washing process of dyeing. Now we use less fabric detergent and high temperature water. By not using steam to boil water, we succeeded in reduction of CO2 about 297 kilograms a year. If we compare CO2 of new dyeing system with previous system, it is about 30-60 grams of CO2 reductions per pair of jeans. This is the same as planting 21.2 cedar trees. We named this new eco-friendly dyeing system Sakamoto Sometaro, and this is the character. Moreover, we promote putting on the tag of the trademark Eco Denim to the fabric or garments which are dyed with this system. By this mark, we'd like to advertise products for a better environment, and we hope that consumers also will get interested in the products which consider environment. One of our environmental enterprises is kitchen garbage disposal. We process our company's or our workers' home kitchen garbage with sludge, and we succeeded to make the recycling loop of using those garbage as manure. We use them for a cotton field, vegetable garden, and rose garden. We are worried about agricultural chemicals used in the cotton fields in foreign countries. Moreover, we are worried about the soil pollution and the damage in environment of workers by agricultural chemicals. This area, extending over Hiroshima Prefecture and Okayama Prefecture, is called Denim Valley. Sakamoto Denim is the only company which is specialized in indigo dyeing in the region. Therefore, Sakamoto Denim dyes most of the products of all textile factories in this area and have many good relationships with them. Some companies which we have connection with have special weaving machines. For example, old-fashioned power looming for selvage denim. Old machine use much heavier steel compared to that of a new machine, and for then you can see this different, valuable presence in the fabric. This original bumpy surface and high-density fabric can only be made from these old, special machines. We have long-standing connections with the rare who still can use these old weaving machines. We are proud that we still can deliver those fabric to the customers. Our cooperating company can also use the new high-speed wide loom for high-efficient denim. This machine weaves by high speed and the surface of the product is smooth. We make denim by this machine using yarn like a tencel cotton. Our subcontract weaving factories each have their special skill, such as a small lot, quick delivery, and so on. For example, lot from 300 meters, quick delivery as soon as 2 weeks. This can be faster depending to the type of yarn. Our company can be said to be the center of the Japanese Denim Valley. Sakamoto Denim has good relationships with many textile factories, and we provide high-quality denim, attracting people's interest all over the world. Sakamoto Denim has recently produced special denim, which is developed by collaboration with spinning, dyeing, and weaving factories in the Denim Valley. We call it 4th generation of Sakamoto Denim collection. This collection is based on our traditional skill over 120 years and our confidential relationships with other outstanding factories. We have a long history. This long history makes us want to produce special denim that expresses human tenderness, warmth, and strength. Sakamoto Denim has tried various developments since the foundation of the company in 1892. Following the distinctly Japanese tradition of superior workmanship, our employees work for a better quality coloring, eco-friendly dyeing production that is used by the people all over the world, which realizes good environment on the earth. Thank you very much for watching.